What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Olsa Tools 9-piece wobble extension set. Olsa Tools was kind enough to actually send this out to me to try out, so big mahalos to them. Also, you guys, stickers made it to the sticker wall, so welcome to the sticker wall. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this video is actually just going to be an unboxing and going over specs, what you guys would actually be looking forward to if you guys are purchasing this, and if you guys are planning on purchasing this after you watch this video or whatnot. I'm going to have some links in the description below which you guys can use to get it. You can use my Olsa Tools discount for 10% off your order. So this is the 9-piece wobble socket extension set. The part number on that is going to be 1267. And if you guys get this set, it comes with 3 half-inch drive extensions, 3 3/8 extensions, and 3 1/4-inch extensions. All wobbles. The half-inch is a 3-inch, 5-inch, and a 10-inch. The 3/8 is a 3-inch, 6-inch, and a 10-inch. And the 1/4-inch is a 2-inch, 4-inch, and a 6-inch. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so the first thing I noticed, well, I actually noticed 2 things about this when I opened it up. And the first thing is that it comes in a really nice storage tray. So if organization means a lot to you guys, this will actually help you guys stay really organized. And it's like a hard plastic. It would have been cool if it was foam, but I'm not complaining. And the second thing I actually noticed is that each of these, the 1/4-inch, the 3/8, and the half-inch, all have this etched design on it. And that's like a knurled grip for easy, comfortable turning. And what I actually like about this, I actually like when my extensions have this. What I like about this is when I actually have my ratchet on, and I'm in a tight space where I can't really swing my ratchet too much. I actually like to hold the ratchet head and just spin it by finger. So having this right here, this grip or this cross-hatched pattern, allows grip for, especially when it's you know, when there's oil on it or your fingers are a little greasy or oily. It really gives you grip to turn that extension to help get you out of that sticky situation. So I actually brought a couple sockets out to actually test it out to see how well they fit. So it goes on a little tight at first, but it's actually not too bad. That's the 1/4-inch. We're gonna do a 3/8 next. And a 1/2-inch. I do see it working best with sockets that have holes in it for the locking spring detent right here, because I did notice that the Craftsman one doesn't work as well, because there's no hole to lock it in place. It doesn't really move as freely as the ones that lock in place. So these extensions right here, they're 2-in-1 wobble extensions. So what that means is that you can actually use it as a regular extension where it doesn't wobble, or you could use it as a wobble extension. So that's a really cool feature too, because if you guys don't have extensions and you guys are just looking for one set of extensions, you guys can actually just buy this for this extension. What I mean by wobble is that from the extension to the socket, it actually allows a little bit of flex. So this allows you to get fasteners, bolts, nuts, anything in a hard to reach area without the need of a U-joint or universal joint. Last but not least, all these extensions are made of CRV steel to help with its strength, corrosion, and durability. All these wobble extensions are designed in a way to allow 6 degrees of swivel motion when on a socket. That's all I really have for now on these, and I will also make a follow-up video of these extensions in a month or so. That way I can actually get a feel for it and see how well they actually do. So if you guys are interested in that, Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, if you guys are interested in this, you can go on Amazon or the Olsa Tools website and pick it up for about $42. Links are in the description below. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!